Hi guys, what I'm going to do is demonstrate the more rigid pole effect. When I did a video on make any pole more rigid, this is what it looks like. This is rigid pole. If you max out each section, if you don't split your pole, you carry it all. Why not use more sections? However, what most of us do, max out each section, and what happens with most poles, even carbon fibre, becomes like a load of spaghetti. And that's a proper carbon fibre pole. Most of them are like that with these shorter sections, 4-foot sections. Okay, and it's much more hard work. So I got to thinking, why not do this? It's what I call half sections, you know. You don't have to do it, but I found it really good. And the top section doesn't wear out as much. What I do is just pull that out maybe a couple of feet. The next one just a bit longer, so forth, because what you're doing then is taking advantage of the thicker sections which are more rigid. You see, you might have to start using more sections than normal, but why not? You're carrying the pole around with you. It might take you a little bit longer, but there is actually less effort when the pole is more rigid. Now that's a lot better, 10 times better. It depends how you work, but I tend to work side to side a lot like this. And that's when you really know if your pole is rigid or not. See, it acts so much better, it's amazing. I love it. I usually got the tube around like this so it doesn't flap around as well. There you go. That is much better. Okay. So remember, just use the more sections and more of them instead of like maxing out the top few, because they're narrow and very flexible, you see. So plus what I do to make this last longer, you don't have to do this, but just leave this one open. I just work like that all the time, the bottom windows, and that lasts for ages then, unless you need to close it up. And that's another thing I like with a side to side or a swivel. You can just stand in one place. I've said this before, instead of with a fixed brush, you tend to have to do this, walk up and down, because it's fixed, so it won't get into the corners properly. This you can just sweep across the whole lot. So there you go. Without more ado, job done.